How to pay Apollo Group TV with Venmo. I'm going to tell you how to pay your Apollo Group TV with Venmo. Apollo Group TV doesn't take Venmo directly, but there's a workaround. First, you'll need to use Venmo to buy Bitcoin. Open the Venmo app, go to the Crypto tab, and buy the amount of Bitcoin you need. Just be careful. Some users have had issues with Venmo freezing accounts if it suspects anything shady, so use at your own risk. Once you've got your Bitcoin, head over to apollogroup.tv and log in. Choose your subscription plan and select Bitcoin as your payment method. They'll give you a wallet address and an exact BTC amount. Now send the Bitcoin. If Venmo doesn't let you send it out directly, you'll need to move it to a crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or Coinbase. Paste Apollo's wallet address, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Wait for the network to confirm it. This usually takes anywhere from 15 minutes to 2 hours. Once it's done, your Apollo account will be activated and ready to stream. So yeah, you can pay with Venmo. Just have to go through Bitcoin to do it.